Hi, this is Chris, and welcome to Winemaker TV. Do you like wine? Do you like mead? Do you like cider? Do you want to learn how to make it for yourself at home? If you are new here and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Today we're going to be bottling up some ginger beer. It's bottling day, so stay tuned. So what we're gonna need to be bottling up ginger beer today, of course, is some ginger beer. So I have a gallon of it made. If you want to learn how to make that, there'll be a little card coming down right here. And you're gonna need a bottling bucket. And if you need a bottling bucket, there'll be another card coming down here to how to make your own. You'll need a auto siphon to transfer from primary to the bottling bucket, and we'll sanitize this up real quick. If you need some sanitizing solution, there'll be links in the description below. You're going to need some bottles. You know me here. I like to show you guys how to obtain your equipment as a byproduct of stuff. So today we'll be bottling up some ginger beer, but I have a case of Corona bottles. This will work with any bottles with a pop top, so you can reuse these. And just because they're clear, you can keep them in the carton. Just cut around the tops so it have a little flap, so it protect this from the sun. And you'll need a bottle capper, and I have some bottle caps. And a lot of times I like to use those swing top bottles. I like those, but I want to give these a try. This is a new product that I've purchased, and these bottle caps have oxygen absorbing tops, so help protect your brews and your beers and your wines and your ciders, especially ciders and your beers, and from oxygen. And of course we're going to have a sparkling ginger beer. So we're going to have a teaspoon of sugar. First step is to transfer your finished product to your bottling bucket. And my bottling bucket's at my feet. You want the destination where it's going always lower than your source. So source high, destination low. So little tip, make sure you have your spigot turned to the off position, because I've done it to where it was left on from the previous use. Big mess in the floor and wasting of all that precious nectar that you just made. Ooh, this smells really good. This is my first time making a ginger beer. We're getting this transferred. This will make about 8 bottles of this. All right. All right, we're gonna get this put away, and we'll be right back. A little tip: when you're using these equipment and you're done with it, go ahead and clean it and put it away, because it'll save you some headache in the future. So the next time you're going to need to use that utensil, device, equipment, whatever, it won't have stuff growing on it. You don't have to stop what you're doing and wash it and sanitize it and soak it in OxyClean. And so tip: when you're done, wash it, clean it, put it away. It'll get it out of your area. It'll clean it. It'll prevent it from being icky and nasty. And you don't have to do it when you're ready. When you're ready to bottle, you're ready to bottle. You don't want to do all that extra cleaning, so go ahead and get it done. Get it away. Okay, we transferred the ginger beer to our bottling bucket. Now let's bottle condition these bottles. I'm going to be adding, let me sanitize this real quick. Good thing about keeping a little bottle of sanitizer ready, you just If you're unsure, just give it a couple of squirts. It'd be fine. Okay, 1 teaspoon per bottle. This is to get that little sparkle to it. Well, I think I put 2 in that, but that'll be all right. I'm going to go ahead and do probably 9. It'll take about 8, but that's usually 8 to a 16-ounce bottle. So these are a 12-ounce bottle, I think. So we'll just go ahead and prime 9 bottles with a little bit of sugar. We got our bottle and our bottling bucket. We're going to fill it to about 1 inch from the top. Let the liquid run down the side to help prevent oxygenation. Right. So you just set it down. You get your capper. It's got a little magnet in there, so it'll help it. So you keep pushing the handles down till it'll make a bump, click noise. Then you make sure you pull them all the way together, because it's got this little thing comes out in the middle, help takes it off. And that's how it's done. So I'm gonna finish up bottling the rest of these. I was right, it did make about 9. As you can see, top. So when you do with the bottle capper, keep going. It's kind of scary, but till you get that real pop, that's when you know you've done. And then when you bring your handles up, bring them together till it also pops, so it'll pop the little thing off the top. So it was enough to make 9 bottles and a little bit left over, which is flat, but we'll see what it tastes like. Real dry, that's the way I like it. Lemony. Delicious! Woo! It probably take about 2 weeks to get it all settled down and get the carbonation to about like I like it. So stay tuned in about 2 weeks for a live tasting of this, and be on a probably Friday night, say 2 weeks from now. So if you like what you see here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. If you want to help support this channel, there'll be links for the bottle capper and some other ingredients in the description below. You click any of those links, even if you don't buy that equipment, you go about your average, everyday, ordinary Amazon shopping, I'll get a little kickback from that. Help me go to buy equipment and ingredients. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.